So today's first question is, draw a 6 centimeter radius circle and mark a point 10 centimeter away from the center, and from that point, so surely it will come outside the circle. Circle is of 6 centimeter radius and the point is 10 centimeter away from the center, and from that external point you have to draw two tangents to the circle, and that you have to do using ruler and compass. So first we will draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. On the compass we have to take 6 centimeter radius. Centimeter radius circle. Now from this center, let the center be O. From the center I have to take 10 centimeter distance. 10 centimeter I can take here or on the other side or below, anywhere I can take. I am taking here 10 centimeter from the center and marking it as point P and joining PO. Let this point be named P. Now next step is bisect this line segment PO. We are bisecting it so that we can find out the midpoint. We need to find the midpoint of PO, and that we will do through construction. So perpendicular bisector we have to draw so that we get the midpoint. To draw perpendicular bisector to a given line segment, you have to take more than half from one end and draw an arc, and here also another arc, and from the other end point, that is from P, also with the same radius draw an arc here and here, and you can see the two arcs meet at these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points, and this line passes through a point here, or you can say the line joining the 2 arcs intersect PO at point, say M, and M is the midpoint of PO. Now M is the midpoint of PO. Now with M as center and MO as radius, we have to draw a circle. With M as center and MO as radius, we have to draw a circle, and this circle will pass through P also. It will pass through P like this. Okay, now this new circle meets the original circle. This is our original circle with O as center, and this new circle with M as center intersects the original circle at 2 points, and let these points be A and B. A and B. Now what you are going to do, you have to draw 2 tangents, construct 2 tangents from the point P. Now from P you join like this a line segment passing through A. You can mark it as a ray, or you can just mark it as a line segment also, and from the point P to the other point of intersection B also you have to draw. Now you can say PA and PB are the two tangents to a circle from an external point P. To the given circle, the external point P is 10 centimeter away from the center. From this external point, you have got two tangents, PA and PB. So you can write PA and PB are the required tangents. Required tangents. Now, steps of construction you can write. First, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Second step is mark a point or locate a point P 10 centimeter away from the center. Join PO, bisect PO, and let the midpoint of PO be M. With M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle, and this circle cuts the original circle at 2 points, say A and B. Join PA and PB, and we get the required tangents. Okay, this is the construction. Now, how can you justify your construction? How to justify your construction? For justification, join AO. Join AO. Now, OA is a radius of the big circle, and you can see here for the circle with center M, PAO is an angle in semicircle, because PO is the diameter for this circle. So PAO is an angle in a semicircle, and angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Angle OAP is 90 degree. OA is the radius of the big circle. So the line PA, which is making 90 degree with the radius, should be the tangent according to the property of tangent. Tangent at a point is perpendicular to the radius at that point. Radius of the circle at that point. So here you are saying PAO is an angle in a semicircle. So this angle is 90 degree, and OA is the radius of this circle. So OA makes an angle 90 degree with PA. So PA should be a tangent. In the same way, you can join OB also. And here you can see PBO is angle in a semicircle for this small circle. So angle PBO is 90 degree. OB is a radius of this big circle. Radius makes 90 degree with PB. So PB should be a tangent to this circle. So you can say PA and PB are tangents to the original circle. That is the justification for your construction.